Hello and welcome to another MCO update on HBAR. The HBAR chart has now actually formed a 5-wave move to the upside from that swing low here, which formed on the 6th of April, 7th of April. So this was the potential A-wave low or a 4th wave low, and we have formed a 5-wave move up now. Now, a 5-wave move up, that can be the A-wave of a larger B-wave rally, but even then, as long as the next pullback holds a higher low, we could get another rally in wave C, potentially to 28 cents, maybe even 39 cents. Or we're dealing with a more bullish structure as shown in blue, in which the wave 4 correction already completed on the 7th of April. We have a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, and we would be moving up more directly in the blue scenario as discussed in previous videos. I've been watching both scenarios, and I was always trying to point out to you that if we get a 5-wave move up, then it would be more clearly bullish. Whether that's the A wave in the white scenario or the blue wave 1 in a larger 5-wave move, that remains to be seen. But either way, a 5-wave move up is like a let's say a statement that the price is giving us that it wants indeed to push higher. We also have a break above this yellow trend line. This trend line has been in development since January, so we had 3 to 4 touch points there, and the price has indeed now pushed higher, formed 5 waves, at least that is how it looks like, and then the corrective pullback afterwards should be wave 2 in blue or wave B in white. And for exactly these, I'm going to give you support now. What I will do here from this larger support area, I will remove the upper section. We don't need that anymore, but it creates the space, the room we need to add support for a B wave correction or a wave 2 correction. So what I will do now, I'm going to add support here for this wave 2 or wave B, and it is defined between 13.9 to 17 cents. This would be standard support for this corrective pullback. I'm also showing that on the smaller time frame chart, but for now there is no confirmed price top here in wave 1 or A. But for further clarification, further details, let's take a look at the smaller time frame for HBAR. And you can see here in more detail that the market has actually formed a higher high now. This does indeed look like a 5-wave move to the upside. Again, you see it here as well. You see the blue scenario in which we have 5 waves up technically completed. I've got a wave 1, I've got a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and that 5th wave has indeed now played out. So we've been watching for higher prices over recent weeks. It's been rewarded. And it is important also to note that the price held this 61.8 retracement, which was important for the blue scenario. And that one more high now, while it is a higher high above this swing high from the 25th of April, I wouldn't exactly call it a very clear 5th wave yet. So I would prefer if it pushes a little bit higher, possibly to 21.3 to 22.9 cents to complete all 5 waves as shown in blue. So first evidence now that a price top has indeed formed already in 5 waves would be a break below the 50% retracement of the last rally. This is just micro support, but yeah, any break below it at 18.7 cents would be a first indication that a top has formed. And therefore, and we're going to do that together, I also want to add this support area that I added on the smaller time, on the larger time frame. I want to add it here as well, so that we are looking at a micro support area that keeps the direct uptrend alive, but then we also want to consider the larger support area in case wave 2 starts very soon. But these support areas, they have to be adjusted with the price. So until we really have a top, these are just moving support areas. So yeah, that's the update on HBAR. So it's not looking too bad. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.